The digital world is amazing. We can connect with anyone, share anything, and access information instantly. But this ease of access comes with a price-increased cybersecurity threats. Hackers are working overtime, finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities in our systems. It's like a never-ending game of cat and mouse. For system administrators and security engineers, managing these vulnerabilities is a massive undertaking. Traditional methods often involve clunky software and time-consuming processes. We need a solution that's both powerful and easy to use. We need something that can keep pace with the constantly evolving threat landscape. That's where Vuls comes in. Vuls is an open-source vulnerability scanner written in Go. It's designed to simplify the process of finding and fixing vulnerabilities in your systems. Think of it as your personal bodyguard for the digital world, always on the lookout for potential threats. With Vuls, you can proactively identify weaknesses before hackers exploit them. It's like having a security expert constantly monitoring your systems, providing you with the information you need to stay one step ahead. And the best part, it's completely free to use. Vuls isn't just another vulnerability scanner, it's a comprehensive security solution packed with features designed to make your life easier. Let's dive into what makes Vuls truly stand out. 1. Agentless scanning. Forget the hassle of installing agents on every single server you manage. Vuls takes an agentless approach, meaning it can scan your systems remotely without any additional software installations. This simplifies deployment and minimizes the performance impact on your servers. 2. Comprehensive database integration. Vuls leaves no stone unturned. It leverages the power of multiple vulnerability databases including the industry-standard CVE, Common Vulnerabilities and Exposures, and NVD, National Vulnerability Database. This ensures that you have access to the most up-to-date information on known vulnerabilities. 3. Detailed reports. Vuls doesn't just tell you what's wrong, it provides clear, actionable insights. Its detailed reports highlight vulnerabilities, their severity levels, and most importantly, recommended solutions. This empowers you to remediate issues quickly and effectively. 4. Continuous scanning. Cybersecurity is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. Vuls understands this and offers continuous scanning capabilities. Schedule regular scans to ensure that your systems remain secure over time, even as new threats emerge. 5. Notification integrations. Stay informed without constantly monitoring dashboards. Vuls integrates seamlessly with popular communication tools like Slack and email. Receive timely alerts about detected vulnerabilities, allowing you to take immediate action. Section 4. Setting up Vuls, a step-by-step guide. Ready to experience the power of Vuls? Getting started is a breeze. We'll walk you through the installation process, step by step. Step 1. Install Go. Vuls is built using the Go programming language, so you'll need to have Go installed on your system. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Head over to the official Go website and download the installer for your operating system. Follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll have Go up and running in no time. Step 2. Clone the Vuls repository. Now let's grab the Vuls source code. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. This will download the Vuls repository to your current directory. Step 3. Build and install Vuls. Navigate to the Vuls directory by typing, and then build and install Vuls with the command. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Vuls on your system. Now that you have Vuls installed, you're ready to start scanning your systems for vulnerabilities. In the next section, we'll walk you through the process of configuring and running your first scan. Section 5. Unleashing Vuls, Scanning and Reporting. With Vuls installed, it's time to unleash its power and start scanning your systems for vulnerabilities. The process is straightforward. Step 1. Configure Vuls. Tell Vuls which systems to target through a configuration file. You can create this file manually or use the provided example. Specify IP addresses or host names and authentication details. Vuls allows you to organize targets into groups or environments. Step 2. Prepare vulnerability databases. Download databases from sources like the National Vulnerability Database. Vuls provides commands to simplify this process. Step 3. Run your first scan. With targets configured and databases in place, initiate your first scan. Vuls will analyze installed software and compare it against the databases. Step 4. Review the reports. Vuls generates comprehensive reports detailing detected vulnerabilities. Reports are available in various formats including text-based and JSON. Customize the level of detail in the reports. The reports highlight vulnerabilities, their impact, and recommended remediation steps. This information helps you prioritize and address security issues effectively. Section 6. Vuls in Action, Advanced Integrations. Vuls doesn't just stop at scanning and reporting, it seamlessly integrates into your existing workflows and tools, enhancing your overall security posture. Monitoring tools. Integrate Vuls with popular monitoring solutions like Prometheus and Grafana to centralize your security monitoring. Visualize vulnerability trends over time, create dashboards to track remediation progress, and receive alerts directly within your monitoring system. CI/CD pipelines. Embed Vuls into your continuous integration and continuous delivery (CI/CD) pipelines to automate security scanning as part of your development process. Identify vulnerabilities early in the software development lifecycle, preventing them from reaching production environments. Multi-OS Support. Vuls supports a wide range of operating systems, including various Linux distributions and FreeBSD. This ensures that you can use Vuls to secure your entire infrastructure, regardless of the underlying operating systems. These integrations empower you to build a robust and proactive security posture, ensuring that vulnerabilities are detected and addressed quickly and efficiently. Section 7. Embrace the power of Vuls. In today's interconnected world, vulnerability management is no longer optional, it's essential. Vuls, with its open-source nature, user-friendly design, and powerful features, provides a comprehensive solution to tackle the ever-evolving cybersecurity challenges we face. By embracing Vuls, you're not just adopting a vulnerability scanner, you're joining a vibrant community of security professionals dedicated to building a safer digital world. Vuls's open-source nature fosters collaboration, innovation, and knowledge sharing, ensuring that you have access to the latest tools and techniques. Don't wait for a security incident to happen. Take proactive steps to protect your systems and data. Explore Vuls, experiment with its features, and discover how it can simplify your vulnerability management process. Join the community, contribute your insights, and be part of the movement towards a more secure digital future. For more information, visit the official Vuls GitHub repository and documentation GitHub https://github.com/future-architect/Vuls documentation https://vuls.io/ Remember, security is a journey, not a destination. Vuls is your trusted companion on this journey, guiding you towards a more secure digital world.